Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows Store is not properly downloading apps on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time, and you want to type in Windows PowerShell. Best match should come back with Windows PowerShell right above Desktop App. You want to right click on this one time and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. Now I'm going to have this command in the description of the video. I want you to copy it from the description of my video. And once you've copied it, I want you to go up to the top bar of this Windows PowerShell window, and I want you to right click on this bar one time, left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste. Once you pasted that in, hit Enter. It'll begin running this, so just be patient. It will take a couple minutes to run. If you see any red text along the way, do not be concerned. It just means that the process is currently in use, and there's going to be a couple that we're going to get like that. So just please be patient, let it run, and I'll jump back in with a narration once we get a little bit further along. Okay, so once it's done, you should have a little blinking line next to System 32. So that means we're done. At this point, you can close out of here. I would recommend you guys restart your computer. Hopefully that resolved the issue. If it didn't, I will have a link for a Microsoft troubleshooting utility in the description of the video. Would definitely recommend you guys check that out. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.